Oh, Apple Pay Later. What is that?
Pay later.
What is that? You catch a loan?
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Is it?
No, I think so.
What is it? It's an instant credit card? Buy now, pay later service. Is it specifically for the Apple Store? Apple is launching a new feature for Apple Pay to let you pay for purchases in 4 installments over time without interest, called Apple Pay Later. It's Apple's take on buy now, pay later service, built right into Apple Pay and coming with iOS 16. Buy now, pay later services have been on the rise. Yeah, we knew about that. You'll be able to pay for installments over 6 weeks. You'll pay the first payment up front and the other 3 every 2 weeks. Payments are managed in the Wallet app, and you can pay them in advance if you want. So who's providing the credit in this case?
I would imagine Apple then.
Yeah, but...
Goldman.
Well, but then you have to apply, right? Loans are subject to eligibility checks and approvals. Loans may not be available in all states. California residents' loans are made or arranged pursuant to California finance lenders' law license. Whoa.
A lot of disclaimers.
Well, yeah, so it's a credit card, really. But I guess it's a slightly different credit system. Users can apply for Apple Pay Later when they are checking out with Apple Pay or in Wallet. They said in their press release, Apple Pay Later is available everywhere Apple Pay is accepted, online or in-app, using the MasterCard network. So it's kind of like an on-demand credit application. You know, you're like, I don't want to put this on my credit card. I want to pay in installments. And I'm going to apply right within the app to see if I can get it set up. It's pretty interesting. Third party. Definitely third party finance lenders involved and things like that. And MasterCard for certain.
Yeah.